In this video, we will look at how to manage roles in formsflow.ai. To manage roles, first log in as an admin user with the necessary permissions. In this demo, I'll log in as a user called formsflow.admin, who has this permission. Once logged in, you will see the Manage option, which includes Dashboard, Roles, and Users. Click on Roles. On the right-hand side, you will see a list of all pre-configured roles in the system. If you're unsure about a specific role, you can use the search function to find it easily. To create a new role, click on the Create New Role button. You will need to specify a role name and describe what the role is for. For example, if the role is meant for users who create forms, you could name it Designer and describe it as Design Forms. Next, you need to select the appropriate permissions. There are multiple permissions available, but the key ones for form designers are Design, Layout, and Flow. This grants access to both the layout and flow components of formsflow.ai. If you only want to grant view access, you can select the Design permission instead. Once you've entered the role name and selected the appropriate permissions, click Create. The new role will be added to the system. You can then view, edit, or delete it. If you check for users assigned to this role, you will see nothing there yet, as it was just created. To edit an existing role, click on it to open the details. Here, you can modify the role settings and save any changes. To assign users to a role, go to the Users panel. This section displays a list of users, along with their usernames, email addresses, and assigned roles. You can use the search function to locate a specific user and then assign a role to them. To add a role to a user, find the user in the list. For example, formsflow.admin. This is a user who has administrative privileges. Click on the user to view all assigned permissions. To grant the Designer role, select the Design Forms permission and save. After assigning the role, refresh the screen, and you will see the updated permissions reflected on the left-hand side. The user will now have access to design-related features, including forms and bundle management. Note that Bundle is a higher-level capability than Forms, so both options are now enabled. You can also remove roles from users. For example, if a user has multiple roles assigned, you can click on a role and remove it. If you check the Design Forms role again and go to the Users section, you will see that the formsflow.admin user is now assigned to this role. This is how you manage roles and permissions in formsflow.ai.